In this project, we're helping to restore the historic Sunbeam 1000 horsepower. We've teamed up with the Bewley Motor Museum, who have been working on the project for several years. It was the first car to break the 200 miles per hour record in 1927, and the aim is to have the Sunbeam running again in time for its 100-year anniversary and take it back to Daytona, where it made history. Our part includes cleaning and restoring parts with laser precision. There are no chemicals, no abrasives, just light lifting away decades of built-up rust and grime without affecting the metal substrate underneath. The whole car is being systematically renovated piece by piece. No manual, no instructions, but with craftsmanship from a team of dedicated, skilled engineers. If you're interested in what laser cleaning can do for your next project, head over to our website to learn a bit more and see how we can help get you started.